In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix shape in MS Word. If your shape keeps snapping around, won't sit where you want it, or pushes the text in strange ways, the cause is almost always text wrapping. Word is treating the shape like part of a sentence, which locks it into the text flow. The good news is that you can correct this in just a few clicks using the built-in layout options. First, click the shape you're trying to position. You'll know it's selected when you see small handles around its edges. This selection tells Word you want to adjust how the shape and the surrounding text relate to each other. If the shape is tricky to grab, move your cursor over the edge until you see it change, then click once to select. Next, look for the layout options icon that appears right beside the shape. It usually shows up as a small button near the top right or side of the selected shape. Click that icon to open a compact menu of wrapping choices. This menu is designed specifically for quick, on-the-spot adjustments, so you don't have to dig through ribbons or settings. Now choose how you want the shape to interact with your text. For the most freedom, select In Front of Text. This option places the shape on its own layer above your text, so you can drag it anywhere on the page without the paragraphs pushing it around. It's ideal for callouts, arrows, and decorative elements you want to position precisely. After selecting it, try dragging the shape. Notice how it no longer snaps back or rearranges nearby lines. If you prefer your text to flow neatly around the shape while still giving you solid control, choose Square. With Square, Word wraps the text in a box-like boundary around the shape's edges. This keeps your document readable and organized while letting you position the shape to the left, right, or center of your content. It's great for images, side notes, or diagrams that should sit within the text but not interrupt it. Once you've made your choice, adjust the shape by clicking and dragging it to the exact spot you want. You can always reopen the layout options the same way and switch between In Front of Text and Square if your layout needs change as you continue editing. That's it. Click the shape, open layout options, and choose In Front of Text for free movement or Square for clean wrapping. With the right wrapping setting, your shape will stay exactly where you intend, and your document will look polished and professional.